Hello, my name is Godfar Ironbeard. It is the middle of winter and welcome ya to my freezing dwarven kitchen. As you see, it is very cold here. That's why we're gonna make some hot soup today. Because it is the middle of winter, we are short on supplies. Actually, the only thing I could find in my pantry is onion. For some reason, onion is crisis proof. No matter what economic collapse it was, there is always plenty of onions. So today we make onion soup. Very popular among witchers and all the poor creatures on this planet. The most popular type of onion soup is made by trolls. Besides onions, it contains elf's meat. Yep. No, I don't cook elves.
What's in the pot?
Soup. Elf and onion. Good. One try?
I don't really care for onions.
Stupid wisher. Elf good taste with onions. Tomato-like.
The troll recipe turned out to be so popular that it even made its way into a card game. A more civilized version of onion soup is eaten in that's it. You know, the country from which you import wine. I will try to combine the best features of troll soup and the sand soup, which is low price and lots of calories. We start with surprise slicing onions. Yeah, there will be no elf's meat. If you care so much about it, imagine that onion is an elf. In a pot, we sprinkle the onion with sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of water and stew it in oil until the onions are caramelized. Yep, our onion soup will be sweet. No, don't go away. It will be delicious. I'm serious. Now we add honey. Yeah, it shall be sweet and healthy. When the onions have nice color, we add balsamic vinegar. And now we add broth. You can add any broth you like. I decided to use a chicken broth because chickens are quite easy to get and most farmers don't notice when you steal one. We cook for half an hour. Evaporated water can be filled with water or beer. Add thyme, salt, and pepper, and cook for another 10 minutes. Before serving, sprinkle the hot soup with grated smoked cheese. You can decorate with slices of raw onion and parsley. If you have some stale bread left, you can make croutons, but freshly baked baguette is the best. It tastes like winter and poverty. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe. Did you like this episode? Do you want me to make a recipe for a specific dish? Write your comments. I'm also waiting for your questions. Toss a sap to your dwarf chef, or valley of something.